first step to making the syrup is you want to have equal parts of all your ingredients. Real simple. So if you have a cup or so of spruce tips, you want a cup of water and a cup of sugar. So I have my sugar. Once I've let it boil for about 5 minutes, I'm going to pull it off the heat and then let it kind of cool down for 15 minutes before adding the spruce tips. And then I add my spruce tips in and I will leave them overnight. So now I'm going to get the excess liquid out. I'm going to pour this back into my pot and I want to boil it even further so that it thickens, because right now it's very thin. So I'm going to try to make a halibut spruce tip delicious recipe. We'll see if it works. Butter, I'm going to melt it before adding it to the garlic. So it's going in Chef Mike. I'm going to add that in. A little bit of oil on the bottom. There we go. Okay, I'll do 2 tablespoons. And we did just take it off the heat, so it's still pretty thin because it's so hot, but it should thicken up as it cools. Might even add a little more. So we're just going to pour our mixture over our halibut. In the oven she goes. What do you think?